Jobim, also known as Galileo or Galileo. I don't know exactly how you pronounce it in Portuguese, but this is what it looks like at this airport right now. Just arriving. This is a domestic flight from Porto Alegre. So this is an international arrival. I did the international arrival in Porto Alegre.
So one thing right off the bat is if it's not an official stand or for money exchange or for a taxi, don't use it. Just to give you an perspective, I have 8,000 Uruguayan pesos, and the guy should have gave me 800 or 900 Brazilian, but he wanted to give me 500. So, and he thought that I was going to take the bait. So, just telling you. Anyways, let's keep this going.
Okay, another thing that can save you time is if you arrive at night past 10 o'clock, the bottom level, everything's pretty much closed. So you got to go to the 24-hour division on the second floor. So they'll help you. Just remember, seriously, this is no joke. Go to the people who have the booths. Go to the booths, not the people who freelance. Just telling you right now. So we got a radio taxi here, and he's helping me. Got the ticket and everything right here. Coming out here. This guy's got my bag. Hola. This one here? So this here is a radio taxi. Costs 160 Brazilian reals, and that's about 38 US dollars to go from Tom Jobim Airport to down by Copacabana. Good thing about it is it's about 15 miles from the airport, and there's a freeway that takes you there, so it's pretty quick. Alright, so I made it to the hotel here in Rio, right? And it was a pretty smooth ride from the airport to here. Found a taxi driver that was really helpful. He's offered to take me around anywhere I need to go in Rio. He's got a comfortable cab and all that, so I've added him on WhatsApp, and I know I can trust him, so that's good. So if I need a trusty cab driver, you know, I've got that. The experience is the same as any airport. You know, you're gonna have these people who are gonna come up, they're gonna try to hustle you into doing things. The reason that I made this particular video, and I didn't make a video like this about Santiago, Chile, or Buenos Aires, or any of the other places that I went to, was because, believe it or not, Rio has this rap of being an unsafe place. So because Rio has this reputation of not being very safe, I have no idea where it came from. It could have been from the World Cup, it could have been from the Olympics, but there's videos that have like 57 million views of, you know, pickpockets and muggers coming up to people on the streets of Rio. So that's why I made this, because there's people who literally will not go to Brazil because of these videos that they've seen. So that's why I wanted to make this video, because I wanted to do my research, because if I just trusted the internet, you know, there's blog posts, forum posts on TripAdvisor, there's forum posts on regular Lonely Planet websites, there's Facebook groups where they talk about the safety and dangers of things to know in Rio, and you know, I wasn't able to get the information that I needed to know. And I remember I was like, arriving at night in Rio, is that going to be safe? I mean, hearing all this stuff. I mean, I still have to go out there and walk around and hang out. You know, I'm solo, obviously, but getting from the airport, which on the map clearly was so far away from where I was going, I was like, what's that taxi cab ride gonna be like? You know, having been to many cities, I know that you know, taxi cabs rides can take 35, 40 minutes. That ride in particular took about 30 minutes, but no stress. Everything was smooth. Like I said, if you stick to the plan, you get the radio cab, you go to the money exchange place that's official, the booths, all that, you'll be okay. But there are those people who will try to get you right out of the airport, those freelancers. They're in every airport, but there's a lot of really trustworthy, great people here in Rio, really friendly people. You can trust them. You know, everything's good with that. So that's why I made this video, is because I wanted to share that experience, because that's what I wanted to know, because there was so much negative press about Rio. I mean, I've gone to, what, 4 countries before I come to this one, and this is like the greatest one that I've always wanted to go to, Rio de Janeiro. But the press on Rio de Janeiro is just out of this world. So, I mean, obviously I just got here. I haven't even fully walked around yet, but you know, I was curious about it, so that's why I made this video. And we'll see you guys from Rio as we continue to get this going. The guy said he's gonna look into it and see if I can fly my drone, so that'll be pretty good if I can get those footage or those videos.